Look at the topic 2.1, rest and motion. See here, in physics, the objects which do not change their position are said to be at rest, while those which change their position are said to be in motion. What we are saying that if the object is not moving from one place to another place means it is said to be as rest. If the object is moving from one place to another place, we will said to be as motion. Next is, while those which change their position are said to be in motion. Look at the example. For examples, a book lying on a table and the walls of a room are at rest. If a book is lying on the table means it is at a rest position. Next, in our room, whether the wall is moving from here and there? No, it is staying at a rest position. Next is, cars and buses running on the road, birds and aeroplanes flying in air or in motion. Birds and aeroplanes flying in air or in motion. So, motion is one of a relative phenomenon. Whether the car and bus are running on the road means it is moving from one place to another place. So, it is said to be in motion. Birds are flying and aeroplanes are flying in the sky. So, these are at motion. These are the examples of motion. Motion is one of a relative phenomenon. This means that an object appearing to be in motion to one person can appear to be at rest as viewed by another person. See here, this means that an object appearing to be in motion is to one person can appear to be at rest as viewed by another person. If one person is at rest while they are, for example, we are traveling by bus. At outside we are watching the trees means we thought that trees are moving. It is in motion. Because the bus is moving, so while that we are imagining that trees are moving with us. But if we are standing means we note that the trees are at the rest position. For example, trees on a roadside would appear to move backward for a person traveling in a car, while the same tree would appear to be at rest for a person standing on the roadside. While we are moving, our view and our image will be as tree will be moving backward for us. If we are at the rest position, the tree will also be same at the rest position. Now let us see the definitions of motion and rest. See here, motion. Motion is defined as the change in position of the object with respect to its surrounding. What is that? Motion is defined as the change of position of the object with respect to its surrounding. If an object is moving from one place to another place only, its position will be changed. So, motion is defined as the change in position of the object with respect to its surroundings. See the example. Earth is moving around the sun, so the objects are not at rest. For example, if the book is lying on the table means it is not in rest position. Why? Because the earth is moving around the sun. So the objects are not at the rest position. Look at the next definition. Rest. Objects that do not change its position is called as rest. If the object that didn't change its position, it is staying in the same position, that is said to be as rest. Rest and motion both are relative phenomena. The object appearing to be in motion compared with one person can appear to be at rest as viewed by the other person is said to be as relative phenomena. இப்போ ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்கு, இப்போ ஒரே பர்சன் தான். While we are traveling, we note that the trees are moving backward. But if we are at a rest position, we note that the trees are at a rest position. So this is said to be as relative phenomena. Are you clear with the topic rest and motion?